Welcome. My name's Bob Quinn, and I'm the Commissioner of New Hampshire's Department of Safety. As you know, commercial drivers are in extremely high demand nationwide and are critical to a successful economy and the overall quality of life in the state of New Hampshire. This new training video is a vital resource and should assist each of you in successfully completing your CDL skills test. I want to thank each of you for your interest in this very important profession, and I wish you the best of luck in a safe and successful career as a commercial driver who we all rely on.
Hi, I'm Director John Marasco of your New Hampshire Division of Motor Vehicles. Here at the DMV, your success is important to us. We've created the CDL skills test training video, and we hope that it will help you when you arrive at one of our testing sites around the state to take your CDL examination.
During the skills test, make sure to wear your seatbelt during all exercises and enter and exit the vehicle with 3 points of contact at all times. For the basic control skills test, you will demonstrate your ability to maneuver a commercial vehicle around other objects, as described in Section 12 of the CDL Driver's Manual. You will receive points for changing direction to gain a better position, crossing over or touching boundary lines or cones, and for your final position. You may be permitted to exit the vehicle to check around during backing exercises. When exiting or entering the vehicle, you must set your parking brake, place the vehicle in neutral, and safely enter or exit while maintaining 3 points of contact at all times. If you open the door or move from a seated position while in physical control of the vehicle, you will be scored for a look. You must complete the exercise as directed. If you see me raise my hand like this and tell you to stop, stop, and return your vehicle within the exercise boundary lines. I will give you specific instructions for each exercise prior to performing them. When you have stopped, set your parking brake, shift to neutral, and sound the horn. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Your first exercise is going to be a forward stop. You will demonstrate your ability to judge the front of your vehicle during a controlled stop. Drive forward through the alley and stop with the frontmost part of your vehicle in the box without going past the front of the alley. You may stop only once. When you have stopped, set your parking brake, shift to neutral, and sound the horn. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Your next exercise is a straight line backing. You will demonstrate your ability to back a vehicle in a straight line. Pull forward and stop when I raise my hand like this. Then back straight through the alley until the front of your vehicle has cleared the last set of cones at the far end of the alley. You are allowed one free pull-up and may safely exit the vehicle one time to check around the vehicle during this exercise. Set your parking brake, shift to neutral, and sound your horn when you have completed the exercise. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Your next exercise is a forward offset tracking. You will demonstrate your ability to maneuver a commercial vehicle around other objects while moving forward. Drive forward and steer to the left through the opening into the opposite lane, keeping the rightmost rear tire between the cone and the line. There are no free backups, and you are not permitted to exit the vehicle during this exercise. Stop your vehicle when you are parallel to the outer boundary, prior to the cones at the far end of the exercise. When you have stopped, set your parking brake, shift to neutral, and sound the horn. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Your next exercise is reverse offset backing. You will demonstrate your ability to offset back and park a vehicle at the end of an alley. Starting parallel with the outer boundary, offset back into the alley, bringing the rearmost part of your vehicle within 3 feet of the rear of the alley. Stop with the rearmost part of the vehicle in the box. Your vehicle must be within all boundary lines when completed. You may not go beyond the outer boundary line. You are allowed 2 free pull-ups and may safely exit the vehicle a maximum of 2 times to check around during backing exercise. Set your parking brake, shift to neutral, and sound your horn when you have completed the exercise.
Thank you for taking the time to review this CDL skills test training video. Many of the topics that have been highlighted throughout this video come from the CDL manual. We hope that you review all the materials that you have at your disposal to make sure that you are fully prepared when you arrive to take your CDL examination in the near future. We wish you every success and best of luck.